In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Phantom Wallet without needing to purchase any cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to the world of digital currencies or just curious to learn more, this approach allows you to explore safely and easily. Our focus will be on creating a wallet, enabling the DevNet feature, and acquiring free test tokens so you can dive into the Solana ecosystem without spending a single peso. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your own Phantom wallet. Phantom is a popular choice for those interested in Solana blockchain applications due to its user-friendly design and great support features. It works as a browser extension, making it incredibly easy to access your wallet from your desktop browser. Once you have the Phantom wallet installed, the next step is to create your own unique wallet. During this process, pay close attention to the recovery phrase you'll be given. This phrase is your unique gateway to accessing your wallet in case you need to restore it later. Store it in a safe place and don't share it with anyone. With your wallet securely created, you're ready to explore the next part of our tutorial. The beauty of using the Phantom wallet is that it lets you explore the world of Solana by using something called DevNet. DevNet is basically a testing environment where you can experiment with Solana apps and transactions without using real money. By experiencing the Solana ecosystem in this risk-free environment, you'll gain valuable hands-on training. To enable this, simply dive into the wallet settings menu, where you'll find an option to switch on DevNet. Once activated, your wallet is ready to receive test tokens, which we'll cover in the next section. Now for the fun part, obtaining those free test tokens. You can get these by visiting the DevNet faucet. Just a few clicks and you'll be able to load your Phantom wallet with these fake coins. These tokens allow you to engage with various applications as if you were using real cryptocurrency, but without the potential for financial loss. It's a fantastic way to build your confidence in navigating blockchain platforms while increasing your understanding of how the Solana network operates. As you begin experimenting with different Solana applications and features using your test tokens, you're gaining a comprehensive understanding of how everything works without any financial commitment. This approach offers a unique, risk-free way to learn on the go while you interact with the various elements of the Solana blockchain. Always remember, this exploration phase is crucial to building confidence and ensuring that you're well prepared should you decide to engage with real cryptocurrency in the future. And there you have it. Getting started with Phantom Wallet requires no prior crypto experience or investment. By setting up your wallet, enabling DevNet, and filling it with free test tokens, you're ready to explore, experiment, and educate yourself in the world of Solana, all without losing a single peso. Enjoy your journey into the fascinating realm of digital currencies.